Which soft skill do you believe school should prioritize in their learning?
The soft skill that the schools need to strongly prioritize in their learning is first and foremost uh, the soft skill of communication skills, how to listen carefully so that you're able to learn. Uh, in communication, more often than not, people are fond of talking, so they don't realize the fact that there's a listener and there's an audience, there's a relevance, there's an appropriacy. So if these soft skills are developed in a manner that they should be, a lot of problems that the world faces would not be there because these are of miscommunication.
How can we ensure equitable access to quality education for students, including those from Tier 2 and Tier 3 cities or diverse socio-economic backgrounds?
Um, Equitable distribution for the purpose of education being made affordable and accessible is something which is very close to my heart, and it can easily be done. First and foremost, we have to collaborate and cooperate rather than compete, because every school will have students, they will have their teachers, they will have their parents. With help of maybe one private school and a government school, first and foremost partnering, so that between private public partnership there is a bonding. The second part can be technology can be leveraged, because now mobile phones and smart devices are there in far corners. So the scale of sharing can be multiplied many more times without a lot of effort going into it. So the last but not the least, I would request that both the government as well as private organizations come to build a repository of the best practices which can be accessed by anybody who has a teacher's code and ID, anybody who has a student code and ID, and anybody who is a leader in education and ID, so that we can learn from each other's best practices. I think it can very easily be done. Yes.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much. Take care.